Romeo, descend and maintain 3000.
3000, 7 Romeo.
South 1541, contact Potomac approach, 119.7.
119.7, Southwest 1541. Okay.
November 71 Romeo, contact Potomac approach, 119.7.
19.7, 7 Romeo.
Brickyard 4792, contact Baltimore Tower 119.4.
19.4, Brickyard 4792.
Yeah. November 71 Romeo, turn right heading 120.
Right heading 120, 7 Romeo.
Solid 1541, you're 3 from Splat, 2000 established, cleared ILS 33 left approach.
3000 South, clear of ILS, 33 left, Southwest 1541.
November 3539 uniform, maintain 2000 heading 050 please. Send disregard that. November 75 Whiskey, turn left direct to Jugmo and join the LDA 33 approach, maintain 3000 please. November 5275 Whiskey, turn left direct to Jugmo. Understand you wanted the full procedure turn, correct?
Left to Jugmo, we'll do the full procedure turn, 75 Whiskey.
Thank you. Southwest 156, maintain 4000, heading 170.
4000, heading 170, Southwest 156.
November 71 Romeo, fly heading 180.
Fly heading 180, 7 Romeo.
November 71 Romeo, this will be vectors across the final approach course for you. For now, maintain 2000.
7 Romeo, 2000, expect to cross the final approach course.
FlexJet 571, contact Baltimore Tower 119.4. Just want to verify FlexJet 571. Are you receiving the localizer okay?
Yes, sir, so far we are. That's one.
All right, FlexJet 571, just stay with me for a second. I just want to make sure you're going to continue to receive it.
Roger that, 571, stay with you.
Southwest 156, maintain 2000, turn right heading 240.
Send to maintain 2000, right to 240, Southwest 156.
1 Romeo, turn left direct to DUDDS, join 33 right, final approach course. Southwest 2125, 6 from Splat, maintain 2000, dual establishment of localizer, cleared ILS, runway 33 left approach.
All right, 2000 till establishment, 319, 8000, send it 6000, uniform.
319, Potomac approach, roger. Go direct DUDDS, 3 miles from DUDDS, cross DUDDS at 2000, clear for the RNAV 33 right approach.
Cross DUDDS at 2000, we cleared RNAV 33 right.
Maintain 4000, heading 040.
040, maintain 4000, 319.
Southwest 770, maintain 4000 at 4000, reduce speed to 190.
Southwest 770. 190.
Southwest 770, fly heading 170.
Heading 170, Southwest 770. Slow to 170, Southwest 319.
Southwest 319, on your speed, then descend.
Oriole 335.
On speed, maintain 3000, Southwest 319.
Latest information, Victor Stern at BWI, Baltimore, altimeter 30.
Okay, the glide slope come alive.
Southwest 319, turn left heading 260.
Let's see 1000.
319.
Southwest 770, turn right heading 190.
Right turn, heading 190, Southwest 770.
1000, don't jump. The missed approach is 340. And then straight out, 3000.
Number 71 Romeo, maintain your maximum forward speed as long as feasible. Contact Baltimore Tower 119.4.
7 Romeo, maintain maximum speed to contact tower.
Southwest 770, reduce speed to 170, bend descend and maintain 3000.
Float 170, bend descend and maintain 3000, Southwest 770. I'm waiting on it.
Touchdown over ground, good day.
Good day.
Good afternoon, Baltimore Tower, November 287 Romeo on RNAV 33 right.
November 2871 Romeo, Baltimore Tower, runway 33 right, cleared for the option. Wind 010 at 7.
33 right, clear for option 7 Romeo.
November 71 Romeo, only go. Fly heading 060, maintain 2000.
Fly heading 060, maintain 2000, 7 Romeo. Okay, we are on the slope. I'm going to do 500 feet per minute.
Southwest 1135, contact Potomac departure.
Departure Southwest 1135,
See ya. Allegiant 2841, wind 340 at 6, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
24 takeoff, Allegiant 2841.
Southwest 932, Baltimore Tower, runway 28, line up and wait.
Runway 28, Southwest 932.
That's recording here. Our minimum.
Potomac departure.
Departure test balloon with a pair hanging right to our left hand side, about 100 feet, about 400 feet. Baltimore Tower, South of 770, 1 flat 329.
Caution for balloon just over the cargo at 400 feet, heading to your left. Traffic is 3 mile final, crossing runway. Wind 010 at 7, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 28 Southwest 932.
One tower, runway 33 left, little land, wind 010 at 7.
City 3, let's stay here at 800 feet. City 3, roger that. And do you need a Bravo, I take, is that right? Radar contact, clear through Bravo. Radar contact, City 3, clear to Bravo, thank you. Number 2871 Romeo, radar contact, maintain 2000, expect ILS, runway 33 right approach. Number 71 Romeo, turn right heading 110, 110 on the heading. 871 Romeo, turn right heading 150. Arm City 3, where will you be landing at exactly? November 2871 Romeo, what do you think the bases are right there where you're at?
Bases are probably about 1,800 feet.
1,800, is that right? Okay, was that more of an overcast or a broken layer, November 71 Romeo?
Broken.
Okay. November 2871 Romeo, turn right heading 190.
Right heading 190.
9 for 6,000.
Delta 895 Potomac approach, Baltimore 73014.
Measure.
2000 is a Cessna. He'll be turning into Baltimore, runway 33 right.
Storm City 3, I have that Cessna traffic in sight.
Storm City 3, roger. Number 71 Romeo, traffic behind you, VFR helicopter, 900 feet southbound. He has you in sight. Maintaining visual separation.
Roger, thank you. That's it. 9,000. 1,300 dollars.
South 733 with Victor out of 9.5, descending via the Raven 6.
Alpha 733 Potomac approach, roger that. November 2871 Romeo, turn right heading 240.
Right heading 2407 Romeo.
Delta 895, fly present heading, descend and maintain 4000.
Present heading down to 4,000.
November 2871 Romeo, turn right, heading 300, join the localizer, runway 33 right.
300, join localizer.
November 71 Romeo, you're about 5 miles from Oriole, maintain 2000 to establish on a localizer, cleared ILS, runway 33 right approach.
2000 to Oriole, and we cleared ILS 33 right. 7 Romeo.
71 Romeo, it is 2000 till you're established on the localizer.
2000 until established.
Southwest 993, Potomac approach, roger. Southwest 733, reduce speed to 210.
So 210, Southwest 733.
Number 71 Romeo, maintain your maximum forward speed as long as feasible. Contact Baltimore Tower 119.4.
Maintain maximum speed, contact Baltimore Tower. 7 Romeo. Baltimore Tower, 7 Romeo, ILS 33 right.
November 7871 Romeo, Baltimore Tower, runway 33 right, cleared for the option, wind 360 at 90.
33 right, clear for option, November 287 Romeo.
Southwest 836, contact Potomac departure. Southwest 836, over to departure, good day. Hey, Shuttle 6013, Baltimore Tower, you guys up? 6013, Baltimore Tower, runway traffic, 6 mile final, cross.
And Tower Delta 895 is ILS approach runway.
Will depart, cross and runway.
Alright, clear to land runway 33.
Runway, wind 360 at 7, runway 28, move for takeoff. Air Shuttle 6013, traffic 4.5 mile final, cross and runway, wind 360 at 7, runway 28, move for takeoff.
Clear takeoff runway 28 for Shuttle 6013.
Air Shuttle 6013, contact Potomac departure.
Departure, Air Shuttle 6013, good night.
Good day. November 2871 Romeo, climb and maintain 4,000.
Climb maintain 4000, November 287 Romeo.
993, Baltimore Tower, runway 33 left, go to land, wind 360 at 7. November 71 Romeo, contact Potomac departure 125.52.
12552, 7 Romeo.
2871 Romeo, Potomac departure, radar contact, climb maintain 6,000.
6000, 7 Romeo.
Romeo, just an amendment to your route inbound Leesburg, just advise when you're ready.
7 Romeo, ready to copy.
November 71 Romeo is cleared to Leesburg Airport via Woolley, via radar vectors, and expect radar vectors to Woolley intersection, Whiskey, Oscar, Oscar, Lima, Yankee, direct to Martinsburg, Mike, Romeo, Bravo, direct. So radar vectors.
C71, but afterwards we'll be heading direct to Martin State VFR. If possible, can we get the RNAV 15 GPS into Martin State?